What is this restaurant called, other than on the corner?
This restaurant is called Boulevard.
Just Boulevard.
And the motif is Odessa of the beginning of the 20th century. And why it's called Boulevard? Because it's on a boulevard, which at that time was the most popular place of an evening promenade. If you wanted to see and be seen, you would come here.
Definitely. That is Boulevard in
This is Syrniki on the go.
On the go.
She said I had to go to the bathroom on the inside to see the concept. And that big, gigantic
Is ice cream
chocolate, is that ice cream?
No, it's a soufflé.
It's a soufflé.
Called in Russia bird's milk.
Bird's milk.
That's a cake, a very known cake in former USSR.
And over here is...
There's actually no word in English language for this.
We'll make one.
All right,
every time during the food tasting we brainstorm about the most proper way to call this dish. The closest we've got so far is scones made of farmer's cheese.
What do you call them, though? Are these like the Syrnikis or something?
Syrnikis.
They are Syrnikis. How about that? I knew the name. I am so proud of myself that I knew the name of them, that they're Syrnikis. How do you cut into it? You just cut, like, try to like slices
like
or across the middle, or?
Doesn't matter.
Okay, we're gonna let the big, yummy dessert eater try first.
I was going to cut you a piece.
No, I want to see your face.
My face, I guarantee you're going to see
Oh,
a
don't
smile.
cut.
I hope.
I'm sure I'm going to see a smile. All right, let's see.
Good?
This is better than anything they served on that ship, period.
Glad to hear it. The inside, the soufflé part, reminds me a little bit of like a marshmallow, a real gooey, creamy, rich marshmallow. A million thanks to Olga for a wonderful food tour. We are so full, aren't we?
I'm sick. I ate too much.
We ate so
I want to thank you for everything
much
you
and
did
delicious.
Today with us. All your knowledge
it was wonderful.
is great.
Thank you again.
Thanks again. It was a pleasure.